Hello all, and welcome to KMT. Is your PS4 running sluggish? Have you tried everything and your PS4 continues to lag or freeze? In this video, we share how to reset your PS4 console to factory settings and hopefully fix your PS4 and have it running like new again. Let's start by talking about why you would factory reset your PS4. If your PS4 is crashing, experiencing all sorts of glitches, freezing, save errors, connectivity issues, and so on, a factory reset can restore the device to factory settings and potentially fix the issues you may be experiencing. Before we explain how to reset your PlayStation 4 console, please note that performing a factory reset will erase all data from your PS4 and you cannot undo a restoration. It is permanent. Also, please do not turn off your PS4 console during the restore process. Doing so may damage your PlayStation console. Now, the steps to factory reset your console are actually really easy. Step number 1. Head over to Settings and scroll down to the bottom and click Initialization. Step number 2. Now select Initialize PS4. Step number 3. You have the option to complete a quick initialization or full initialization. A quick initialization is just that. It quickly wipes all of the data, but not very securely. So someone with specialized software could recover any of that data. A full initialization wipes all the data securely and prevents anyone else from recovering the data. But remember, a full initialization could also take several hours. So, if you plan on giving away your PS4 or even selling it to someone, we recommend you do a full initialization. Thank you for watching KMT. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below.